How to put ask me question on Instagram story. So if you want to put ask me question on Instagram story, then first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your Instagram. Make sure that you've logged in. Once you've logged in, you need to go with your story, which is on the upper left. Go with camera. Under camera, you can go with create, which is on the left side. And here you can just swipe, and here you will have happy birthday, GIF, or ask me a question section. So just take the picture. After taking, you need to go with the upper right, which has stickers, and from the stickers you will have an option of questions. So tap on questions, and here you will get ask me a question. So you can either write ask me a question or anything that you are comfortable with. And after writing the question, you need to just go with done, which is on the top right, and add this to your story. That's how you can put ask me question on Instagram story. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.